Hi guys, today I'm going to show you all how to make fertilizer out of dried up bananas. We are going to go over all of the material that you are going to need for this, and then I'll guide you through the steps from the snack table all the way out to the garden. Now we only want the peels, and if you happen to have a sticker on your peel, make sure to take those off. So we'll just leave these out here in the sun for a few hours. It might take a couple of days to get them just right, but luckily for us, it's summertime, so they'll get lots of sun. You can tell the bananas are ready when they easily break apart. So notice those are still kind of hard to crack. They're not really ready yet, so we're gonna leave that out for a little bit longer. But let's see. Nope, these need more time. What about this? It's all looks pretty black on both sides, so let's try. Nope, not ready. That's good. When they break apart real easily like that, that's how we know that we've gotten most of the moisture out of it, and these are good to go. For this lesson, I have prepared all of the material on a tray. We have a bowl with some dried up bananas inside of it. Make sure that they're ready to go. I have my mortar and pestle, a spoon to transfer, and another little bowl with a spout for the finished fertilizer to go directly into our garden. Here we go. You can break these down into smaller pieces if you'd like, just to get finer particles. I tried to get my banana peels down as fine as possible, but I think mine could have probably used a little bit more time in the sun. This is okay though. This is perfectly fine. And your plants will still love it. And I'm just going to add this directly into my plants. Just right into the topsoil, spread it all out. After adding the fertilizer to your plants, you can give them a little watering so that the fertilizer goes directly into the soil, and there you have a happy plant. We can take our fertilizer out into the garden. Go on. And that's it, guys. We made fertilizer out of our leftover banana peels for our garden.